Beautiful morning!
Hindi mo makatayo.
Morning! It's beautiful! Yeah! Hi guys! So this is the end of my video. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to subscribe, share, and give it a thumbs up. This is Shaila Seashells once again. I think I forgot to mention my name. There's no name yet, but this is a farm. They have a river, sunflower farm, and rose farm as well. You do have a lot of things to do here in these farms, which is very interesting. We also learned a lot of things about bees as well. So I hope you can visit this place one day. If you do have questions, feel free to send me a message. Until next time, ciao, matane!